Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade strike options on Crypto.com. Strike options are a type of financial derivative that allows you to bet on the price of a cryptocurrency without actually owning it. To get started, you will need to create an account on Crypto.com and fund it with cryptocurrency. First, navigate to the Crypto.com website and click on the Derivatives tab. From there, select the strike option you want to trade, such as a call or put option. A call option gives you the right to buy a cryptocurrency at a certain price, while a put option gives you the right to sell a cryptocurrency at a certain price. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and select the expiration date of the option. The expiration date is the last day you can exercise the option. You can choose from a variety of expiration dates, ranging from a few days to several weeks. Now, set the strike price, which is the price at which you can buy or sell the cryptocurrency. The strike price is a critical component of the option, as it determines whether the option is in the money or out of the money. If the current market price is above the strike price, the option is in the money, and if it is below, the option is out of the money. After setting the strike price, enter the amount you want to trade. The amount is the number of options you want to buy or sell. Each option represents a certain amount of cryptocurrency, so make sure you understand the size of the trade before entering it. Once you have entered all the details, review the trade to ensure everything is correct. Check the strike price, expiration date, and amount to make sure they are all accurate. If everything is correct, click the buy or sell button to execute the trade. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the risks involved in trading strike options. These options can be highly volatile, and if you are not careful, you can lose a significant amount of money. Always use risk management techniques, such as setting stop losses and position sizing, to limit your potential losses. In conclusion, trading strike options on Crypto.com can be a lucrative way to profit from the cryptocurrency market. By following these steps and using proper risk management techniques, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to always do your research and stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed trading decisions.